Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. This is a haul that I purchased off of HSN and a Griffin items. So I watched Craft Day on HSN and I was very good. I only purchased one item, which were the Slimline Embossing folders. So here's the little sheet you get with kind of some examples of designs that you can create with the embossing folders. But here are the actual folders themselves. This first one is they're very hard to read. Camellia Lace. Isn't that pretty? And then embossed it with just some gold paper that I have purchased from Michaels. Really pretty with that middle seam going down the front. And then this next one is Georgette Lace. Super cute. And it embosses very well, very detailed. And then the next one is, I don't know how to pronounce this one. Mattless. I don't know. Matelasse. I don't know. This is the way this one looks. Kind of look like quilting. Super cute. And then the last one is the Flourish. And I actually made a card using the Flourish. And here it is. So I just used this little bunny that I got out of my stash of Anna Griffin items, which is a little off center, but it's okay. But that embossing folder is really nice, and I used a couple of Nouveau drops and a little bow from Anna Griffin's collection. I think the Celestial one. But that's it. I just wanted to share with you these really cute embossing folders for your Slimline cards. If you have any questions, just ask below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.